Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Sesame Tofu. Jumping right into this recipe, and this is gonna be a super quick one. So I have my tofu here. I did do some prep work before I started this recipe. So I boiled my tofu, I ripped apart the block, and I'm using extra firm tofu for this. I put it in boiling water with some salt water, and you just boil it for 5 minutes. That kind of helps the tofu gain a better texture when you finish cooking it. So I have my pieces right here, and of course I've drained all of the liquid. Let's go ahead and season. So I'm gonna add my salt. I'm gonna add some white pepper. You could do white pepper or black pepper. Onion powder. And garlic powder. So we're keeping that pretty simple. I'm just gonna go ahead and take a spatula. We're just going to toss this, make sure that all the tofu is coated. And now into an air fryer tray, I'm gonna spray it down with some avocado oil. And we're going to just place our tofu evenly spread it out on the air fryer, and we're gonna air fry 390 degrees Fahrenheit for about 15 to 20 minutes, tossing it halfway through, and basically just until it gets crispy. While our tofu is air frying, let's start with the sauce. So into a bowl, you're going to add 2 cloves of garlic, and I'm just gonna do some pressed garlic. You could also do the one from a jar. We're gonna add a little bit of chopped green onion, some soy sauce, and of course all the measurements will be in the description below. Organic dark maple syrup, a splash of rice wine vinegar, and some sesame oil. Go ahead and mix that all together. If you don't have maple syrup, you can also use honey. That will work for this as well. Let's also go ahead and add toasted sesame seeds. And this is our sauce. I have a stainless steel pan. You can also use a nonstick pan, whatever is easier for you. And I have it on a low heat. I did let it heat up. I'm gonna do the water test here just to make sure that it is nice and hot, and it is. So I've now lowered the temperature to basically the lowest setting that I have. And I'm gonna now add in my sauce. We're gonna let the sauce heat up and start to thicken. And you just wanna keep it on that low setting because you don't wanna burn it when it's in the pan. Our sauce is looking really good so far. As you can see, it's starting to thicken up. And at this stage, I'm going to add a little bit of extra water, so about a tablespoon of water. And we're gonna add about a tablespoon of, a heaping tablespoon of all-purpose flour. You can also use cornstarch. Now that I have the delicious sauce thickened up, I'm gonna add my crispy tofu that I just took out of the air fryer. We're gonna add it directly into the pan, and I can turn the heat off now. We're just gonna toss this to coat it in that delicious sesame sauce. Take a look at that, guys. It's absolutely gorgeous. This is Chinese style takeout right in your own home. And if you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below, and also like this video while you're at it. And that is it, guys. We have a delicious sesame tofu, Chinese style takeout right in your own home. I can't wait to dig into this. You got the crispy tofu, and I forgot to mention, if you wanna purchase the air fryer that I used, I have a discount code in the description below. Gotta get my piece of my tofu. Gonna get some of my rice. You can pair it with anything you like, whatever your favorite rice is, whatever your favorite noodle is. I got my perfect bite here. Cheers. This recipe is super simple, yet so delicious. I can't wait for you guys to try this one. Let me know what your favorite Chinese takeout dish is in the comments below. And thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Also hit that notification bell to never miss a tasty upload. Till next time.